Hello there, Andy Lowe here from freshlookrareview.com. Today I'm going to do a review on Viddyoze. We'll start with just exactly how it works. We'll go and look in the software. I'll do a demo for you. We'll talk about the upsells and then we'll have a look at the pros and cons, and at the end I'll do a quick conclusion. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so here we are within the Viddyoze actual software. This is my account. And if you just hover on the little icon here and click on there, you get like a menu, which is quite useful. You can go through your My Videos, favourite subscriptions, your payment methods, purchases, notifications, university, and a log out. And on the top here, you've got your templates and your tutorials. If you just click on the tutorials, it goes straight to these. I've watched most of them, and they're quite good actually. They just go through they're worth looking through before you actually start creating some of your thumbnails and stuff. So you've got live action animations explained, how to find the perfect template, logo and title animations explained, transparency animations explained, aspect ratios for your social media, and then the stock images integrations. But you can just upload your own images as well. So that, like I said, they're definitely worth watching. So if we click back into templates, you'll notice on the left hand side here you have all templates, and then it's categorized. You've got your favorites, newest, featured, alpha, background, extended, intros, so intros to your videos, live action ones, logos, the outros, overlays, social, and title. And like I say, we'll go and do an example. We'll go do an example one, and let's go to the intros. So these are all the videos that are associated with like an intro to your video. So all you do is hover over it, and if you just want to hear the sound, you just go onto the sound bar. That gives you an example of what that one's like. So obviously there's ones for seasons, Merry Christmas cheers and all that sort of stuff. Let's just pick one. I'll show you how easy it is to actually make one of your own. So you go, you just have to pin through them until you find something that you think that's appropriate for your video. So like I say, these are the intros. You can change these backgrounds, the photos that they come with, so you can change all these sort of things. Let's just go to one that I think was one that I might have used. So again, you just have to hover over it and you see what it actually does. So there you can put your text in a little bubble. Let's do a customize on that one then. So you just go into there and press customize. So this is what it is at the moment. So your text, I could just put something like hello from Andy. Press continue. Then you get the colours, so you can change all these colours to suit your own sort of brand. Very easily done. You just pick on there, and obviously if you do know the exact colours. I did find a little website which is probably worth mentioning. I'll just go to it now. If you go to this one here, and it's the HTML color codes. Say for instance this is one that I uploaded. All you have to do is, say for instance you want to find out what that blue is, click in where that blue is, and then it gives you the exact code that you need to put in. So let's say for instance we want to match this particular blue that I've got in one of my images here. So if I copy that, then we go back into videos, and instead of having that green I wanted that blue, you just overtype that, paste it in, and then it comes up with that blue. So it's pretty good. So we're happy with the blue and the text. You press continue. Now I've only paid the basic package and if you want to add different tracks you have to upgrade. And like I say, if you just click in there, it does say need more music, more templates, then they try and get you to upgrade. But we're just happy with the sound of this one. Then you go to preview, and it gives you 4 images of the preview of what it'll look like. So there you go, you see it's got my colours in now. Hello from Andy. And all you do there now is create, and then it starts rendering it. It's put in a queue because I'm already downloading another one. So I'll come back to this video and I'll show you the final product of that one when it's been rendered. So here's the finished recording. It's just downloaded as an MP4. It goes onto your computer, and then you just have to upload it, which is pretty simple. Anyway, so like I say, they're only short and sweet, but this is the end result. I'll just do one more example. So if we go to all templates again, if we go to the newest, so these are the latest ones that have been downloaded. Again, it's a mixture of all the below. So I thought this one was quite good. So we'll go into here and customize this one. Again, it's just showing you how easy this is. It's one click here. So this is what you're going to get: some fireworks going off, and at the end your logo comes up, and then some text. So I'll go into here and I'll upload my my logo again. So we'll use that one and continue, and then we can put in here whatever we want to put. So maybe happy holidays from us. Continue, and then again you can change your firework colours to match your logo. Apparently when you have subliminal, it's like colours to match your branding, it has a more of an effect. So again, you see you can change these. So I might put one of those blues in again. So maybe use that in there. So click on there, then you paste it into that there. So we've got that nice blue, and maybe put the darker blue in there. So again, go to that darker blue, click on there. Let's see if this works on my HTML. So there it is. Good. So that's the code for the darker blue. Copy and paste that in. We'll leave that one in red. So we'll continue now. We'll leave when you've got one choice on the audio. Click the preview, and again it'll show you these little 4 snippets of the little video. Those are my colours, you see. So I'm happy with that. Press create, and then we'll have to wait until it renders again, then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the finished video. When it comes through, I've just had a quick look at it. You'll notice when my my logo comes through, there's like a background, so that doesn't look so great because you can see the background. So on this particular one, I would probably remove the background so it just comes through on its own. But anyway, here we go. Have a look. See what you think. I mean, I think that's pretty impressive, and that only took what took me 2 minutes to do, and probably 5 minutes to upload. So I think the quality of the videos are really good. So moving on to the upsells, the subscriptions. If you want to start paying monthly, what you actually get for your money. Like I say, I paid a one-off payment. I think it was about $97, and that gives me lifetime access. But if you want to go a bit more seriously, and you can join these, what they call the template clubs, Template Club Plus, and then the agency. So obviously you can see what the fees are, but these are monthly fees. So for £37 a month, you get access to 1,500 templates as opposed to about 120 odd. 15 new templates added every month. Create unlimited videos, commercial rights included. Access one additional audio track. Access over 1 million royalty-free stock images. One-click image background removal. I mean, there's free versions of that, as I've shown you in the video earlier on. So animated GIF formats included, and multi-aspect ratio templates included, multi-font support included, and then you get all that for the 47 and more, and you can render 3 videos at a time. I'm not sure why that's such a massive advantage, unless you're just impatient. Access to a private media library where you can save your images for later use, and access to Viddyoze University. So you know, it depends how serious you want to take this. I personally think, you know, for the videos, the sort of videos I'm doing, the intros and the outros and all that makes you look a bit more professional. But yeah, if you're setting up some sort of video agency, then you might have to go for these sort of upgrades. Okay, then people, so we'll come to the pros and cons and a quick conclusion. The pros for me, as it says pretty much on the tin, 3 clicks, literally, and you've got a video done. The quality of the videos is absolutely superb, it's A1. There's also, you can join a Facebook group. I've been on the Facebook group and joined it and had a look, and there's some great advice on there. There's people uploading their videos, and some of them are absolutely fantastic, so they've obviously used the upgrade. The only thing I will say is there's quite a few people pitching as well for work and what have you. But it's all good. The only thing, the downside I would say to it was the limited number of audios that you can select. With the package that I've got, you have to use the audio that they've selected. But obviously with your upgrade, then you can choose your own, and you can even upload your own. And then and you can't post these videos directly to like social media or wherever you want to put them. You've got to download them to your computer first and then upload them to your editor. So that's another downside, because there are softwares where you can post direct now. But all in all, I think it's a fantastic package. Like I say, the quality of the videos are brilliant. Makes you stand out a little bit from the rest. And I'm going to score this 8 out of 10, and I'll be recommending this to all my subscribers. Okay. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.